make a meal that you would otherwise not be able to make in the course of the week. Confirm that your storage containers are full and the stock in the pantry will take you through the week. Okay, and make sure before you refill, the container is clean. If some containers become empty in the process, make sure they are clean before you refill. So once you confirm they are clean, time to refill. Get a scoop to do the job. Don't create a mess where you are. Wear gloves while cleaning the dishes to protect your nails and also to protect your hands. If you don't have this disposable, you can get the reusable. I think there are some which are silicone, which you can easily use to clean, or others are plastic. Okay, so let's get to the cleaning. Empty your dish rack before you start cleaning the dishes. When cleaning the dishes, start with cups or jugs. Because they are not oily, the plates and spoons could be oily. For a very long time, I used to wonder why my mom used to start with the cups, but now I know. Cover your cleaning detergent for hygienic purposes. Then make sure your cleaning cloths, they are well cleaned, and you put them to dry to avoid them getting germs. So don't leave them wet. Ensure every time you finish cleaning, you hang them in a place that they will dry up. The next one, clean your grill immediately after use to avoid rusting and to make sure it's ready for the next grill. Before using a cooking pot, rinse it. Even if you had cleaned it before, you never know, there could be some steel wool particles that remained and dried. So just rinse it before use. Store cooking oil in a hygienic container for use. And if the cooking oil has some dirt or particles, sieve using a serviette. You can see that all those particles will be left in the serviette. You give it time because serviette takes long to drain. Let us know what else you would like us to share, and also share with us what you have learned so that we can also learn from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. See you on the next one. Bye.